If Trello notifications aren't working, you might miss important updates, card changes, or mentions from your team. Yeah, this usually happens because of notification settings, device permissions, or app configuration issues. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several fixes that usually restore Trello notifications. First, check your notification settings inside Trello. If notifications are turned off, you won't receive alerts for updates or mentions. Next, make sure email notifications are enabled. Trello can send updates to your email if push notifications aren't active. Another important step is checking your device's notification permissions. If your computer or phone blocks Trello notifications, alerts won't appear. If Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your device, notifications may be temporarily silenced. Turning this off can restore alerts immediately. Yeah, another quick fix is refreshing the browser page or restarting the Trello app. This can resolve temporary glitches that stop notifications from appearing, and if notifications still aren't working, try updating or reinstalling the Trello app. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files that might affect notifications. And that's it. One of these fixes usually restores Trello notifications so you won't miss important updates. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.